Oh, Isa. Are you ready? It says right letter L and it stands for land. Oh, you say L.
L.
Land.
Land.
Okay, you copy it.
Okay.
Try it. No, not there. Here. No, sa baba. Yan. Say land.
Land.
Oh, more. Yeah, that's right. More. Over here. Over here. Do it. Baby, you can do it. You just try. Okay. It's raining hard. Say L. Land.
Oh, land.
Oh, this one pa.
Mommy, it's raining hard.
Yeah. No, not color. Later magko-color. Go, 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 go. Baby. Stop.
Mommy, what's this?
L. Land. Oh, go. Do it again. Yeah, right? Oh, say L. Land.
Oh, land.
Oh, do it again.
Mommy, what's this?
Later, baby. Dali.
Mommy, what's this?
Hurry up. Mommy's tired na.
Is it raining harder?
Yeah.
And
Go.
harder?
Go. Dito. Baby, dito. Isabel. Here. Please. This one.
This one has red. This one has no red.
Yep. Oh, go. Do it. Just 6 more. You're taking too long. You said this one na. Good. Next. Here. Here pa. Make sure it's between 2 lines lang. Yan. Good. Next. That's L. L. Land. Say it.
Oh, land.
Good. Last one. Okay, good job. Next. What's this letter?
W.
Yeah, it stands for water.
Water.
Say water.
Water.
Okay, you make 9 W's. Galing mo naman pala mag-write eh.
Dito.
Do it carefully. Yes, that's right. Good. Next. Next.
Galing yan is the right line.
Go. It's just line. It's very easy.
Line.
Do it again.
Okay.
It's W, water.
Up, down.
Yeah, down, up, down, and up again.
Down, up, down, up.
Yes.
Down, up.
No? You take a look. Down, up, down, and up. Just 4 lines.
This one?
No, you do it here. Please, Isa. Hurry up.
It's trying.
Try it, yes.
It's trying.
Good. Next.
Darling and Lisa, right?
Yes. Good. Next. Dito. Later na mag-play, baby. You finish your assignments first.
For going upstairs.
Yeah. Look, oh, we have so many things to do pa, oh.
The books are waiting.
Yeah, they're waiting for you to finish. This one pa. Down, up, down, up. Down, up. Good. Next. It's right, it's right. It's perfect. Oh, go. This one. Do it again. Down, up, up. Don't cover it. Later na mag-play, baby. Oh, go. Down, up, down, up. Good. Next. Down, up, down, up. Good. Next. Down. Isa, no. You remove this. Oh, go. No. Use this one. This is your writing hand. You always use your writing hand. Nope. Hold it properly. Yes. Go. Down, up, down. No. No. Do it properly, baby. Almost done. Almost done. 3 na lang, oh. Go. Down.
Down, up, down, up.
Yeah, this one. Do it. Down. Up. Down. Up. Good. Next. Next one.
This.
Next one. Down.
Down, up, down, up.
Yeah.
Down,
Oh,
up.
2 more left. Oh, 2 more left.
2.
Yeah. Do it.
Down, up.
Down. Up. Down. Up. Good. Next. Down.
Wait,
Up.
wait.
Yes, up mo. Down. Up. Okay, done. Done with this writing.
Done.
Oh, again, W stands for water. Water.
Water.
Oh, what's this letter again?
W.
For?
For water.
Good. And this one is L.
L.
For
For
land.
land.
Oh, what's this letter?
L.
For?
Land.
Good.